Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Google Docs to use your voice to write. Now as you can see, I've played around here doing some random stuff, but then I'm going to show you how it exactly works. To begin, you want to make sure you're on Google Chrome, and we're going to open up Google Docs and go to Tools. From there we're going to press on Voice Typing, and right here comes the microphone button. Now as you can see, the moment I've pressed this, it's going to repeat and write every single word I say. Alongside this comes a few commands such as period. Next up, we have a line, question mark. Did you know that? Period. By the way, comma, my new lifestyle is amazing. Period. Delete lifestyle. Delete new. Delete amazing. Delete my. Delete is. Delete period. Period. And as you can see right there, I just use commands to completely configure the properties of my sentence. Period. Now, there are far more commands than just these, such as new line, period, new line. Hold on, it was working. Period, new line, new line, new line. Okay, so apparently it does tend to glitch out between actually changing into a new line and writing the word new line. Period. 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 Hello. Period. New line. Yeah, so it does tend to glitch out with that, but hopefully Google can resolve that. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. If you did enjoy, make sure to comment down below and subscribe so you don't miss any of our uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.